Hey guys, good morning. This is GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur, and here in this video, I want to just promise and I want to tell you that the golden years of your life, that is, once you retire, and after that, those years which you will be living will be as comfortable as they are now when you are earning. This is what is the promise in this video I am going to make for you guys. This is meant for anyone who is earning and he is willing to lead the same lifestyle after retirement. The golden years will be as comfortable as the earning years if he follows the instructions, if he follows the guidelines. And the different options which I will be giving you is 10 options. One by one I will be explaining through my videos. And the industry statistics are that earlier what was happening was that we were studying, leaving college and getting job at the age of say 20 years. We worked up to 60 years, so 40 years of working continuously, and then there was pension and the retirement age was, and the death came earlier because the medical was not that advanced. The now with the advancement of medical technology, the life expectancy has increased. At the same time, the people continue to study and then they start their career late at the age of 30, and then they want to retire early, say 55, and then because of life expectancy they live up to 80 years or more. So 30 years they work and another 30 years post retirement they have to live, where there is no pension by government, there is no income to them, and they have to start their day, and the expenses are more. Life savings, life expenses, the living cost. At the same time, the aging brings in many diseases also, so cost of health care is also goes up. At the same time, the responsibilities are more, health is not cooperating, income is not there, and life expectancy is more than 80, 85, 90 years. So you have to plan for all those things, and while planning for all those things, you have to take action now when you are working, when you are young. Nobody else will take action. The data says that in urban area 80% of the people are not planning for their retirement, and they are by default dependent on their children, whereas this data in rural areas is 82%. So not very great difference, 2% difference. And 77% of the uh, qualified population, Indian population, they have not planned their retirement well. So it is all the more important that they will be depending on the children. And if you have seen that movie, Bhagwan, where one father and four children, one father is taking care of four children, and at the same time, after retirement, four children are put together, are not able to take care of one father, and the problem starts. So if you take that notice of that movie, you will learn that it is very important for you to plan your retirement if you do not want to depend on the children for their, for your golden periods to be comfortable as they are now. And you have to start saving on regular basis, little amount now, every on consistent basis every year, and let the money grow. And once you retire, that growth total corpus will be used to give you monthly income on regular basis, so that when there is no income from government or your job or your business, then this income, that small drop of pen, and a stroke of signature will give you that comfortable life throughout the entire life which you will be living after your retirement with no income. And this savings and this plan which you will be doing now as per my guidance will give you the comfortable life even after retirement on regular basis. At the same time, it will take care of your critical illnesses also, and you don't have to depend on any external source including children. This is what I want to say as a bold promise, and I will give you details one by one in my coming videos. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur, signing off now for this. Thank you and bye.